Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Chemistry Crafters with Banu. I am Arun Kumar. Today we are going to learn some basic level idea about raw materials being used in cleaning industry. We are going to learn the important raw materials, its other names and the role it is playing in cleaning product. First of all, surfactants. Surfactants are main materials in cleaning products. It is removing the dirt, the important role. Example is SLES. Next, co-surfactants. Co-surfactants also very important role playing in cleaning industry. The combined effect of surfactants and co-surfactants is much greater than the sum of individual effects. For co-surfactant, the example is cocoa amido propyl butane. To understand the importance of co-surfactant, we will consider one example. AC mechanic. Even though he is skilled and talented, with one assistant, he can do his work perfectly and fastly. Next, cleaning materials. Cleaning materials are not surfactants, even though they are capable of doing the cleaning work. Example is sodium carbonate. Next, builders. Builders are very important to achieve perfect cleaning process. Builders converts normal water, salt water into soft water, and also builders maintain the pH within particular range. So they are allowing the surfactants to do its cleaning process more effectively. For builders, the example is again washing soda. Next, thickening materials. In home care cleaning products, sometimes we need to increase the thickness to achieve the perfect cleaning. But thickness is not necessary for all the products and all the time. Example for thickening material is carbopolymer. Next, stain removers. Surfactants are capable of removing the dirt, not stains. So we need to use stain removers. Enzymes are stain removers. Next, emulsifiers. Emulsifiers are capable of mixing two immiscible materials, especially two immiscible liquids. For the example, oil and water. We will consider one example. Soap is example for emulsifier. Persons working in automobile industries. In their hands, some grease and oil stains are available. Just washing with water alone, it is not possible to remove the oil stain or grease stain. So they are using soap as emulsifier. Soap is a emulsifier. Optical brighteners. It is being used in liquid detergents. They are making the fabrics, whether it is white fabric or colored fabric, whatever it is, much brighter. Example is tinopol. Next, preservatives. Preservatives are very important material in all the home care products to improve the shelf life. In all the home care products, in all the cleaning products, wherever we are using water, there is possibility for growth of microorganisms. These preservatives are capable of preventing the growth of microorganisms in water medium. Example, sodium benzoate. Next, antioxidants. Antioxidants are materials capable of preventing the products from degradation due to sunlight, oxygen, or even heat, etc. Finally, color and perfume. We know the role of them. So, these are all some of the roles raw materials are expected to play in our cleaning products. First, sodium carbonate. This is very good cleaning material. The other names are washing soda and soda ash. Next, sodium bicarbonate. Its other names are cooking soda, idli soda, baking soda. It is versatile material. It is cleaning material, deodorizer, and also pH balancing material. And one more thing, it is fine particles. Due to its nature of upgrading action, it will provide two benefits: physical upgrading action and also chemical cleaning. More importantly, it is a natural material. Next, sodium percarbonate. It is a safe bleaching agent. Its other names are oxy bleach, green bleach, solid hydrogen peroxide, etc. A better alternative for enzymes. We can use this material in detergent powder, detergent soap, but not in liquid detergent. Next, sodium hydroxide. Its other names are NaOH, caustic soda, lye, sodium hydrate, etc. Here we will discuss one important point. Lye is caustic soda, yes, but we will not use lye directly. We will dissolve lye in water. This is lye solution. We will use the lye solution in our process. Why we are not using lye? We are using only lye solution. There are many reasons. We will see some of them. The first one is safety. Just imagine if you are throwing a stone over the pond. What will happen? Water will splash. Similarly, if you drop the caustic soda flakes or pellets, one or two pellets or lye solution will splash, chances to splash. So this is not safe for our face, not safe for our eyes. Next point is to preserve the lye quality. Generally, lye addition is a slow process, so we will not add all the lye altogether into reaction vessel. So we are measuring and adding little by little. So during this time, lye is highly reactive material. There is a chances to degradation of the quality of lye. In case of lye solution, the scenario is different. So lye quality will not be affected. Only some minimal amount of lye solution evaporation is possible. In evaporation also, water only evaporate, not lye. The next one is to protect the quality of reactants in reaction vessel. To understand this point, we'll imagine a burning injury created on our hand during the cooking process while flashing the boiling oil. The same thing is possible due to lye. Lye is highly exothermic material. If we add the lye directly into reaction vessel, it will instantly release large amount of thermal energy, so its surrounding will be burnt out. The next point is very important point, to reach the precise pH. In case of lye pellets or lye flakes, it is not possible to reach the exact precise pH. In case of lye solution, it is possible. We can add 1 ml or even we can add 1 drop, so we can get the exact pH of our choice. Next, acid slurry. Its another name is LAPSA. Full name is linear alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. In acid slurry also, vendors are tend to say some terms TPL slurry, IPCL slurry, like that. These terms are nothing but the company name whom they are manufacturing the acid slurry. Next, the difference between acetic acid and vinegar. Acetic acid is pure chemical, either it may be natural or synthetic. Vinegar is diluted form of acetic acid. White vinegar is some special type of vinegar prepared for food industries. In supermarkets, white vinegar is available. Next, SLES full form is sodium lauryl ether sulfate. This is available in two concentrations, 28% concentration and 70% concentration. SLES 28% concentration is safe and very good cleaning material surfactant. The 70% concentration is like paste. It is also called as Texapon paste. Texapon is brand name. They are making the 70% SLES paste. In case of 70% SLES, I mean SLES paste, it is economy, more cleaning performance, more thickness, but not safe. Next, SLS powder. The full form is sodium lauryl sulfate. It is cheap, very powerful surfactant, and also it will give thick consistency. But the problem is it is not safe for health and environment, especially for aquatic creatures. That is why we are converting this unsafe SLS into safe SLES. Next, sodium sulfate. Its another name is Glauber's salt or shortly G salt. Sodium sulfate is pure chemical. G salt is hydrated form of sodium sulfate. Otherwise, both are same. Sodium sulfate is not surfactant, not cleaning material, even though the role of sodium sulfate is very important in cleaning material. It is a filler and it brings homogeneous medium to the cleaning product. To understand the importance of filler, we will consider one example. Pure coffee, 100% coffee is costly and also it is some bitter taste. Not everyone will like it. Mixing 20% or 30% chicory with coffee will improve the taste of the coffee and also will reduce the cost. Next, sodium chloride. It is also filler cum thickening material. The other names are kitchen salt, table salt, common salt. This is the salt what we are all using in our kitchen for cooking purpose. In salt also there are two categories, normal salt and free flow salt. Normal salt means with moisture content, so clumps are possible. Free flow salt means it is dried salt, so there is no possibility of clumps. Some anti-caking agents would have been added for that purpose. That's all. Next, CAPB. Full name is cocoa amido propyl betaine. The advantage is it is naturally derived from coconut, so natural derivative. Next, CDEA. It is also natural derivative. The full name is cocamide diethanolamine, but it is possible carcinogen, so we will not use in our formulations. Next, Alphax 200. It is a brand name. The chemical name is nonyl phenol ethoxylate. It is also playing multi-role. Some of the roles are wetting agent, emulsifier, etc. Next, BKC, benzol conium chloride. It is available in two different concentrations, 50% concentration and 80% concentration. It is also a versatile material. It is a cationic surfactant. It has antimicrobial properties. It is wetting agent, emulsifier, conditioner and so on. Next, triethanolamine, shortly T. It is very useful for adjusting the pH of final product and also alter the thickness, but only to some extent. In some formulations, triethanolamine is being used as one of the important surfactants. Next, thickening materials. Many thickening materials are available: HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, HEC, hydroxyethyl cellulose, guar gum, xanthan gum, carbomer, and so on. We can use any material, depends upon the cleaning product, and also for each and every material we have to follow the specific method, unless otherwise we cannot get the desired consistency. Carbomer is a common thickening material. Its another names are Carbomer 941, Carbopol, Carbopol 941, Carbopol 971P, Carbopolymer, etc. Next, IPA. The full name is isopropyl alcohol. It is a powerful disinfectant and also a degreaser. It is the common disinfectant in more or less all the hand sanitizers. So it is also called as rubbing alcohol. Next, ethanol. Its another names are ethyl alcohol, spirit. It is also a powerful disinfectant and one of the common material in hand sanitizers. It is also being used in room sprays. In perfume industry also it has a vital role. Next, glycerol. Glycerol, glycerin both are same material, liquid. Glycerol means pure chemical. Glycerin means commercial material, less purity, maybe 90% or 95%, that's all. Next, enzymes. Enzymes are stain removers. Surfactants are capable of removing only the dirt and grime, not stains. So we need stain removers. Enzymes are stain removers. Generally, these four materials are being employed as stain removers: amylase, cellulose, lipase, protease. But the problem is these materials are effective only in particular pH range and they need some stabilizer. So in shops, ready-made detergent enzymes are available. They are choosing the correct proportion of these four enzymes and maintaining in particular medium, that is called as ready-made detergent enzyme. Next, bleaching agents. Two types of bleaching agents are possible: chlorine based and oxygen based. First we will see chlorine based bleaching agent. Sodium hypochlorite. It is the stain remover being used in ALA, but we cannot use it in liquid detergent. It is suitable only for white fabrics to remove the stains, but this is something like dangerous material, so caution is required. The other one is calcium hypochlorite. It is also powerful bleaching agent. This is simply called as bleaching powder. This is what we are purchasing from all the professional stores and using in our bathrooms. Both sodium hypochlorite and calcium hypochlorite are powerful disinfectants, very helpful in sanitizing industry. Next, oxygen based bleaching agent. Some examples are hydrogen peroxide and sodium percarbonate. Sodium percarbonate is also called as solid hydrogen peroxide, green bleach, and also called as oxy bleach. It is eco-friendly method for stain removing purpose. Sodium percarbonate is a very useful material in detergent soap and detergent powders, but we cannot use it in liquid detergent. Now let's discuss the difference between soap and detergent. Both are cleaning agents. In case of soap, it is sodium salt of either oil or fatty matter. In case of detergent, it is sodium salt of synthetic surfactants, either from plant based or petroleum product. Finally, let us discuss what does the term matic means in liquid detergent. Matic liquid detergent means that liquid detergent is completely suitable for fully automatic washing machines. That means in washing machines, Proper dispensing of liquid detergent is possible only if the liquid detergent is having correct thickness and consistency. And one more thing, that liquid detergent should not corrode the metal parts of the washing machine. So these are all some of the requirements for a liquid detergent should be a matic.